Hello friends, welcome back to Spectrum News 1 on this final Saturday of the month of May. That's right, next Saturday is June 1st. And we're going to start off with a look at the rainfall across the tri-state area. We've had 4.5 inches of rain so far this month. That is a surplus of over a half inch, and you can see all the days we had rainfall. We had a little bit this morning, so we'll add to that, and then definitely lots of rainfall for our Sunday. But the good news is the rainfall we've had have kept all drought conditions at bay, not even abnormally dry across the tri-state. Certainly great news because of what we've dealt with the past several months with how dry it's been. But we'll be dry for the most part this afternoon with an isolated storm possible or a pop-up shower, but most of us should be on the dry side. We've got this front that's sort of stuck on top of us. It's sort of meandering around. It could allow a couple of showers to pop back up this evening, but most of us should be dry. But that'll change by late tomorrow morning as a much more vigorous system will be on the doorstep with widespread rainfall and the potential for severe weather as well. Could be several rounds of severe weather that move through, but we'll have to see. Again, there are some models that aren't as bullish on this scenario that I'm showing you. You can see by later this afternoon, yeah, models are saying there could be a couple of pop-up showers, but for the most part, most of us will be dry tonight and into the early part of our Sunday morning. But notice by mid to late morning, here comes the potential for some of that activity crossing parts of the tri-state. And notice some of these bright purples. That's where they're saying, well, there could be some severe weather. Again, don't focus on the exact location of those storms, just that they could be happening and they could last through a good part of our Sunday, which is why we've got the enhanced risk that has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Those are widespread severe thunderstorms posing mainly a wind risk. Winds could gust over 70 miles an hour, but hail and a brief tornado also cannot be ruled out. 80s throughout the rest of the afternoon today. We'll dip into the upper 60s and lower 70s. A very mild night across the entire tri-state with maybe a stray sprinkle or two early on. I will say once this system passes by very early Monday morning, after that we're looking at near perfect conditions the rest of the week. A little bit breezy on Monday, but then lots of sunshine and temperatures right where they should be for this time of the year, Tuesday through Friday.